Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and rent and out Airbnb without owning property. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we'll simply go ahead and step into our video. For that matter, you have to understand a term called Airbnb rental arbitrage, which is basically a business term for you to rent somebody else's property and put it on Airbnb business and earn some profit out of it. The things that you have to make sure is, what is Airbnb rental arbitrage? Simply, as I mentioned over here, you do not own a property, but you have the lease and the contract with the property owner, and then you can simply use it for your business purpose, simply having an investor for your business in Airbnb. So for you to do that, the first major things that you have to understand for yourself is that you will have to make a contract with the owner, so you can have whatever, including how much rent you're gonna pay for them, and in case of damage, let's say if the damage is done by the customer that you have invited for, then you will have to pay for them, and after the certain time you can simply end the contract and walk away. That will be the easy way for you. If you do not have contract, with the policy as well of Airbnb will not allow for you rent property in Airbnb and do your business. So the basic would be simply going ahead, finding your real estate area of your particular area that you would like to have your started business with. Go ahead, find the property, go ahead, make contract with your owner of your property. Once you have done so, make sure you have all the documentations correct. Then you will go to Airbnb and fill out the forms regarding that, show that your business profile that you are legally allowed for it, and then you will be able to rent, then you will be able to use somebody else's property here in Airbnb arbitrage for the business purpose. So for that, make sure to study well regarding this and simply start it. So this is it, guys. If you got more questions and if with this particular concern, make sure to leave them in the comments below, and yes, I'll be seeing you guys in our next video.